Exploring Strawberry Fields, the colorful journey through nature ***. Join us as we take a delightful stroll through the vibrant strawberry fields, where nature's colors burst to life in a captivating feast for the eyes. In this video, we'll explore the stunning scenery, fascinating flora, and the charm of a strawberry field that's a hidden gem in the heart of nature. This adventure is perfect for nature lovers, photography enthusiasts, and anyone looking to escape into a world of color and beauty. What to expect? Stunning visuals. Experience breathtaking views and vibrant colors of strawberries in various stages of ripeness. Educational insights. Learn about the life cycle of strawberries, their growing conditions, and sustainable farming practices. Photography tips. Get tips on capturing the beauty of strawberry fields through your lens. Fun facts. Discover interesting facts about strawberries and their health benefits. Highlights of the video. 1. Introduction to the history of strawberry fields. 2. Walking tour through the colorful rows. 3. Interview with local farmers on cultivation techniques. 4. Close-up views of ripe strawberries and other flora. 5. Tips for visiting and picking your own strawberries. Join our adventure. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more colorful adventures in nature. Hit the bell icon to get notified of our latest videos. Useful links. Visit our blog, yourbloggerl.com http://yourbloggerl.com. Follow us on Instagram at your Instagram handle http://instagram.com/your Instagram handle. Subscribe for more. Your channel link. New videos every week. Explore the beauty of nature with us and build a deeper connection with the great outdoors. Let's make this colorful journey unforgettable together. Join the conversation. Share your thoughts about your experiences in strawberry fields or other extraordinary places in the comments below. Don't forget. Like, comment, share, subscribe. #strawberryfields, #nature journey, #farm adventures, #colorful nature, #strawberries, #nature lovers, #explore nature, #photography, #sustainable farming, #healthy living. Extract tags. Strawberry fields, nature exploration, colorful journey, outdoor adventures, nature photography, strawberry picking, ecotourism, botanical gardens, nature therapy.